am from St. David's Girls High School, Bonda, and I am here at Milestone College for the robotics workshop and Robodzidzo workshop. So my experience so far has been fun. People are cooperative and want to learn more. People are giving in new ideas and we are learning something new from these people. So basically I feel welcomed. I feel like I belong here.
I'm also interested in robotics. So far, I've had a lot of things that I've learned from the robotics lab at Milestone College. It has been really an eye-opening experience and an exposure that we needed as educators, and both as educators and as learners. So I really appreciate the day, and it was really worth.
I'm Milestone, and I'm from Trinity AI, the green color, as you can see. I'm wearing it. So today we are doing we are the robots, yes, and then we are the world builders. So today we are actually going to make some robots, but that will be picking up tennis balls and then throw it like using the robots. Yeah, so like that's our game. So in just I don't know how many minutes, hours or so, yeah, we'll be doing the competitions or whatsoever that we call it. Then we'll announce the winners. But I hope so we are the winners because we are really making.
Okay, so my name is Natalia Vengai from Milestone Preparatory School, and I'm here to talk about my experience at the Milestone Robodzidzo interaction. So basically, today we got to learn how to code using the Arduino Uno. We also got to make use of various components, which I'm really happy about because we got to learn, and then we also learned about various sensors and their use. And yeah, we got to put together this sort of robotics car through the use of various components which we used to put this in place. And yeah, I'm happy because I got to learn a lot of stuff, and I'm also grateful to our amazing mentors who got to teach us a lot. Thank you.
My name is Mongai Kaitano. I'm from the red team.
And I'm David, I'm also from the red team.
So honestly, it has been fun being here, but yes, the things are hard to catch up once, but then it's time to leave. We catch up with it, and it was fun. We enjoyed this day. Thank you so much.
That's the same feeling. Inspired and motivated to go and research and the details, but all in all, we are happy to learn.
I'm excited to be here at Milestone for robotics. It's a groundbreaking experience for us. It's a milestone. For me, it's a milestone. And I think the school's name is properly named Milestone College. It's setting milestones in this area of robotics. The ministries of primary and those ones of higher education, they are promoting innovation and creativity. And robotics is one area where young people can develop their creative skills and be innovative. So I'm privileged milestone where
name is Lakbaya. I'm from Escape Talatin. I'm from the blue team in the Robodzidzo workshop. What I've learned today, I've learned to see more parts of the robot, and also how to code for the robots, and also to control the robot. So I've also learned several things about learned about their successes and some of the things that they invented and how was they good from the inventions. Thank you.